Hi, I'm Michael Newrock, and in this lesson, I wanted to go over trading sessions. Basically, there's 3 trading sessions per day, and they just roll into each other. There's the European trading session, the US trading session, and the Australasian trading session. So they work at around normal working hours. So the European trading session runs into about 3 or 4 hour overlap, depending on daylight savings time of the year, into the US session, and that trades through until the Australasian session. Again, there is a 1 hour intersection of time from the US to the Australasian at different times of the year, and then that rolls through to the European. So it's a 24-hour world: European, American, Australasian, European, American, Australasian. So as far as trading the trend profiteer system, it's not really important to be aware of those times. Um, you can find good opportunities at times, or movement a little bit faster during opening times or closing times of trading sessions, and those times when the trading sessions intersect between each other. However, that would really be more practical for the shorter time frames and the higher time frames. Then it doesn't really make any difference. However, you could pick up some trades definitely during those times. The good news is obviously the trade profiteer trade assistant will alert you to trades whenever they happen. It's the same thing like news events. We're not really into news events data, but it's good to be aware of it uh, for more important figures or interest rates in particular. However, once again, that's sort of fundamental trading, and as a technical trader using the trend profiteer system, we don't really need to bother about that. So this was just a really quick video to go over that. It's nothing that you really need to be concerned with, or even to be aware of, and just stick to your trend profiteer technical trading, and lock in your profits. And that would be the only one thing that I would close with is if there are important news events coming up in that particular country, say that your pair is associated with, then it's always a good idea to lock in profits as part of your normal trade management practices. So, till next time, good trading, live well, and I'll see you soon.